Hi everyone, this is just a coffee dyed piece of normal copy paper, and then I've folded it into an M like that, so we've got 4 sections either side, and we're going to make this into a bookmark. I'm going to be using this as my cover here. So I want a little bit of an edge around the outside. So I'll just mark where I want to cut that and there. It's a very windy day here today, so hopefully the wind noises aren't too distracting for you. Okay, so let's just check, and then we'll do the same for the back. Alrighty, so there we go. So we've got our front and our back covers. I mean, you could have one of each, but no, I do like that. So the next thing I want to do is ink the edges. Actually, I've got a green ink pad, so we'll try our green out. Okay. Alright, so that's step 1. I think I've come up with some little elements that I want to put on the front there. This is just a torn book page piece. It's had some inking done. And I want this to be a little background on the front. And then, sticking with the green theme, I found this stamp. It's a pre-made stamp. I thought that would go nice on the top. I quite like it saying local postcards, so I'd like to see that. Yep, I think that looks cool. And then I found this beautiful little teacup with pink flowers on it, so I thought that would go nice. I think about there. Be careful around the handle. There. I think that's quite a cool little cover.